Hello friends. Okay, today we'll be looking at game theory. And the question says, solve the game whose payoff matrix is given by, we have player Y, we have player X. So we have Y1, Y2, Y3, X1, X2, X3. So there is no problem with this. To solve this, we need to consider the row minimum. The minimum among the row. So here is our row, and we will look at the minimal value. The minimum value here among the row. If we consider this, the minimum value here is 1. I'm having 1 here. At this point, the minimum value is 3. At this point, the minimum value here is 0. Now, this is all I need to consider for minimum. Then I will also go to column. At column, I'll be considering the maximum. So we call it column maxima. So I'm going to have this. Maxima. So our target here is to get the maximum value among our columns. At this point, the maximum value here is 1. Checking through this one, the maximum value is 6. Checking through this one, the maximum value is 1. Now, it will not end here. Remember that at row, we are considering the minimum. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to find the maximum value among the minimum value. So I will now call it maximum among my minimum, which we call minima. So looking at this, we are looking for the maximum of the minima. The maximum value here is 1. Then we will also come to maximum, the column maximum. We will consider the minimum value. So we say minimax. Among the maximum, we want to pick the minimum. Considering the available values, the minimum value here is what? 1. And there is what we call saddle point. Saddle point happens when the value of the max minima and the value of minimax is the same. So we call it saddle point. And saddle point at this point is the value of the game. So we say saddle point is 1. So the saddle point here is 1, which is also the value of the game. Remember what I said earlier. When the maximum among the minimum, the value of the maximum among the minimum is equal to the value of the minimum among the maximum is the same, then saddle point exists. And this saddle point is also the value of the game here. Thank you for watching. God bless you.